Welcome back to the Four Chains, and today we have an exciting video for you. We did one unboxing video a long time ago just to when we originally got the camera that this is being filmed in, but today we have a legitimate unboxing video. I definitely want to thank Sweet 7 Studios. I contacted John McCabe, who is their great director and editor, and I asked him what GoPro I should buy because we are taking our Patreons. If you're not a Patreon, please look into it. We try to make this the best Patreon deal ever, but we are taking our Patreons to Mexico. And we are going to be going to the second largest coral reef in the world in Puerto Morelos, which is second only to Australia's Great Barrier Reef. And then we're going to go to Akumal Bay, and we're going to be filming the sea turtle mating season. We're going to try to be filming stingrays and a bunch of underwater. So I asked him, what is the best GoPro to film these underwater scenes? And he said, do not get a GoPro. And this is what John McCabe does. And I looked at the videos that they make, and they're all really, really high-end and incredible. He told me to get this, the Olympus TG6, the toughest underwater camera. I'll put up for you a whole bunch of lists where they are ranked by camera sites #1 for underwater photography, and this thing is a really tough camera, and it's perfect for what we're doing. So we're really excited about it, and for subscribers, we are going to put a link below. We have an unbelievable deal. This is, even though it's ranked way higher than the GoPro, we have a deal for you below if you click that link where you are going to get the camera for $50 below retail price, but you're also going to get 50 accessories for it, which equal almost the cost of the camera itself. So now we're going to show you exactly what those accessories are. We got it here. Click on our Amazon link below, and we are going to unbox it. And hopefully I won't do as terrible a job as I did before. Okay, so the first thing that we've got here is the digital power thingamabob.
Oh, that's sick.
Hey,
oh,
that's so cool. Guys, remember you're not supposed to be on the videos. Your mom got mad last time. Okay, my nephews are here. It's one of my nephew Connor's birthdays, so you know we're gonna they're in the background, but they are not gonna be on here. This alone. This is the 50 accessory sports camera accessory kit that's in here. So,
wait, you're recording, right?
Yeah, we're recording.
I thought you stopped.
So this is it. No, we don't ever stop, man. 50-in-1 accessory kit, and it comes in this case. Nerds. I guess that's really good. We're about to find out. So we'll open this for you. Does anybody know what that is? All right, it's got to be awesome. These are attachments. I guess this is the list of the accessories here. So this is a floating handle grip. So you can grip this when it's underwater. Hey, guys, come on now. You're not supposed to be on camera. You know that. Okay. Okay, I know, but the camera might pick up your audio. I don't know. That's true. You're not mic'd up. All right, so we got here more carrying case stuff. This is a suction cup, I guess, that you can put it on the side of a wall, on the side of your boat to film underwater, maybe. Here's some other things. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know what these things are, so I'm going to have to call John McCabe and find out. But there's more to come in here. Look at this. Oh, yeah. You know you want one of these, am I right, boys? Yeah, it is. And in here, look at this. Oh, yeah, it's strings, it's color codes, it's a strap. You know that's going to be good. What is this?
Oh, is that like a tripod?
Yes. Oh, my. Look at this. It's a built-in tripod that goes with the camera.
Sick.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. All right, what do we got here? Just make sure the camera can't hear you. Your mom's going to get mad.
She's not here.
Well, yeah, she's not here. That is good. This, oh, okay. Well, I broke this, but if you're more careful, you won't have to break this. This is where you can attach it to you when you're snorkeling or scuba diving. You attach the camera and you can film and you don't have to hold it. Oh, man, that is sweet.
Your chest or your head?
Yeah, I guess you put it around your chest and then you... Man, that is dope. How could this possibly be? Then we got a digital reader writer. Now, one of the things about this camera is it has Wi-Fi and GPS technology. So you can download the videos that you film on this camera straight to your website or your YouTube site or Facebook or whatever. And this is one of those digital readers. And you know these cameras always come with the SanDisk. Boys, what do you think about this bad boy, 64 gigs? Is that sick or what? And then this. Oh, you know this is dope. It's a wrist strap, so you can take the camera and just be like, I think that's what this is. But I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure. What is this? A travel charger. That's the problem. What if you're filming all this great underwater stuff and then all of a sudden your battery's out? Well, this camera comes with a separate battery and you can charge it. You can charge it in the car while you're driving if you want to go down and do the snorkeling. And what's this? Bro, carrying case. Come on, is that sick or what? That's right, it's impossible. You know, well, they've seen that video of Milan. That's right. They won't know. They'll be like, what's that thing? You're my nephew, Connor. You can't take it. Look at this. A starter kit for professional, like, tripod extensions here. What? This is... adhesive, adjustable, I don't know. What does this do?
So you use that to suck snot out of an infant.
Yeah, see, what if you're filming and you have a lot of snot and you want to just like suck the snot out?
For scuba diving.
That is critical for any sort of scuba diving. And then the coup de grace. This is it. The Tough TG6. All of this, every single thing, all these attachments, the carrying case, the extra battery, the charger, the tripod, the attachment, it all comes for less than the price of just the camera itself. Look at this. I read the review. It said you could run this camera over. There's the charging cords to connect it to the internet. Here's the extra battery. And there it is. What? Your mom said you can't be in the video. Boys, what are you doing?
Oh, going to free play.
It's okay.